If you're looking for a spectacular home with over 3,600 square feet for under $1 million, just a few blocks away from Flick Park and Pool in the award-winning Glenview School Districts, you're going to love this home. Welcome to our newest listing at 3410 Meadow Lane in Glenview, Illinois. You're going to love this house. As you step inside, you'll notice the soaring ceilings and flood of natural light. Everyone seems to be looking for open concept these days, and this home does not disappoint. An entertainer's dream with this expansive built-in bar. And here are the doors to the backyard, but we'll get to that in a minute. The large kitchen is bright and sunny and offers more of these soaring ceilings. And a stunning marble Calcutta Apuno waterfall island. The main level bedroom is currently being used as an office, but your guests are going to love this space and a full bathroom. Now let's check out the second level. The expansive primary bedroom is truly your own retreat and offers more of these expansive ceilings. The backyard offers plenty of warm weather entertainment space, with a huge paver brick patio and a fully fenced yard. Your kiddos will attend elementary schools Henke at Hoffman, Atia Middle School, and award-winning Glenbrook South High School. If you'd like more info on fabulous homes of the North Shore, please reach out.